Hi, my name is Katie and I've been using Amazing Breath for about a year and a half, and if you're watching this, it's probably because you're about where I was when I was so desperate and first ordered it. Basically the reason I ordered it was to help with tonsil stones, which if you have them, you know how inconvenient they are. So I thought I'd give this a shot, but I've had some other benefits as well. I've had less gum gaps during my dental visits, and way better breath in the morning. And I don't know if you all are coffee drinkers, but I feel like that contributed. However, what Amazing Breath does is takes care of the bacteria in your mouth, so you really don't have that bacteria and bad breath in the morning. So if you're thinking about trying Amazing Breath, it would absolutely be worth your time to give this a try because it worked wonders for me. Thank you.